It starts small. A single inhale. Smoke enters your mouth, moves down your throat, and fills your lungs. Within seconds, something begins to change. Not slowly, not over years, immediately. Within seconds. The moment smoke reaches your lungs, nicotine passes into your bloodstream. From there, it travels to your brain in about 10 seconds. And when it arrives, it triggers a release of dopamine, the same chemical linked to reward, to pleasure, to habit. At the same time, your heart rate increases, blood pressure rises. Your body is being stimulated, even though you're just standing still. Your lungs under attack. Cigarette smoke contains thousands of chemicals. Many of them are toxic. When they enter your lungs, they begin to irritate the delicate tissue inside. Your lungs are lined with tiny hair-like structures called cilia. Their job is to clear out dust and particles. Smoking damages them, slows them down, and eventually destroys them. So instead of being cleared, harmful substances stay trapped inside. Your blood and heart. Nicotine causes your blood vessels to narrow. This makes it harder for blood to flow freely. At the same time, carbon monoxide from smoke binds to your red blood cells. This reduces the amount of oxygen your body can carry. So your heart has to work harder, pumping faster, straining more. Over time, this increases the risk of heart disease, stroke, and circulation problems. Addiction builds. The more often nicotine reaches your brain, the more your brain begins to expect it. Receptors adapt. They become less sensitive, so you need more nicotine to feel the same effect. This is how addiction forms. Not suddenly, but gradually, until the act of smoking no longer feels like a choice, but a need. Long-term damage. Over time, the damage builds. Lung tissue becomes scarred. Airways narrow. Breathing becomes harder. Conditions like chronic bronchitis and emphysema develop. Together, they're known as COPD. At the same time, cells exposed to toxic chemicals begin to change. Some mutations repair themselves, others don't, and those can lead to cancer. Beyond the lungs. Smoking doesn't only affect your lungs, it affects nearly every part of your body. Your skin ages faster. Your immune system weakens. Healing slows down. Your risk of multiple diseases increases because the bloodstream carries those chemicals everywhere. What it really means. Smoking doesn't damage the body all at once. It happens in layers, small changes repeated over time until they become something larger, something harder to reverse. And it all begins the same way, with a single inhale that feels harmless but isn't.